What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be building an absolute beast of an electric mountain bike. We are building a sub 3k hardtail electric mountain bike with 180 newton meters of torque, and I guarantee you it will beat anything you can find in the shop at any price point. And then I'm going to be giving it away to one of you guys, so stay tuned on how you can win this insane build. And the bike we're going to be using for this build today is this gorgeous Whyte Secta R, brand spanking new in this fresh white colour. Now this under 3k price point includes this bike at the full retail cost of about £900. Obviously you can do this build cheaper or more expensive, or even use your own bike. So guys, you can follow this video today and build something that will destroy anything you can buy from the shop with better technology, better value and better performance by a long shot. It's not even close. The power and the technology in this motor is far more advanced than anything you get on factory integrated mountain bikes. If you don't believe me, stick around and see what this thing can do. And the motor we're using today is this brand new release from CYC, the Photon Pro. This is 4000 watts peak power all the time. You haven't got a 60-second boost button. It's not limited to 15 miles an hour. You can tune this however you want it, or have the power just fully available all the time. 180 newton meters of torque from this tiny little motor. This is packing hairpin technology, and what that means is the copper windings that store the energy are made out of flat bar, where most other stuff has got old redundant technology of copper wire that doesn't compact the power into such a tiny space. That is why this thing can put out immense power in a small size. You have got two choices when installing this Photon Pro to get the 4 kilowatts. You can use the massive 65 volt battery, 20 amp hours. That will pull 4000 watts, but you can also use the A52L and still get 4000 watts of peak power, which is insane for this tiny little battery. But in today's video we're going to be using the Big Daddy because I think it just suits the bike better, and you're going to get more range out of it and more power, less battery sag. The quality of CYC's stuff is just on another level. They crash test this thing. It's fully CNC billet aluminium design, got a unique mounting system where it slides on from the side, and it's just a beautiful battery design. I'm pretty sure this thing puts out about 120 amps peak power, so it is super powerful. And to put all this power down on this bike, we've got the CYC HD Drivetrain. This has got steel Shimano HG splines on it, because these things are putting out so much power that if you use a standard aluminium hub that normally have aluminium teeth, the cassette will literally fuse itself to the hub body under the power. So we're putting the proper drivetrain on this. I recommend you have to use the HD drivetrain system on the Photon Pro 4000 watt and the X1 Pro 6000 watt as an absolute necessity. This is pretty much everything we're going to be installing on the bike that comes with a motor kit today. We've got the motor itself, the crank arms, a tool for the chain wheel and the chain wheel. You've got various different options when ordering this kit, guys. I've gone with the smaller display. I think it's the SW102. You get many different types of displays with it. You can pick your chain wheel size depending on what performance and gearing you want, and just the rest of the brackets and bits to install this kit. Right guys, this particular bike has got an awful bottom bracket for fitting mid-drive motors. You're not going to get an easy installation. There is a big cable routing system where it had a big rectangle hole through a plastic grommet for fitting the cables. I've had to trim about 6mm off the height of it because it flared up too big to fit the motor. I don't recommend getting this particular frame for an easy installation, but lucky for you guys, you've got me doing this build today and you can still win this insane bike. So without any further ado, let's get this 4000 watt CYC Photon Pro fitted to the bike properly. Let's go. Right guys, so I've got a CYC HD cassette that's made with steel splines already pre-fitted to this back wheel. I'm not going to run the HD cassette because I've already built one of these Photon Pros and it didn't rip the original cassette to pieces, so we're going to try utilising the 9-speed and see whether it can cope with 4000 watts of power. If it's an issue, I'm going to fit the HD cassette, but I'm going to try and stick with the 9 or 10 speed. I'm going to try and stick with the 9 or 10 speed cassette that is on there. So without any further ado, let's get this motor fitted. Let's go.
Yeah, look, I ain't scared of nothing, really they come from nothing. Boys think they the same, but all them niggas fronting. Why they mouth keep running, I've been up to something. Let me rap real quick. Look. Washing that dirt off, they spit, I turn off. Same shit I heard y'all, who learned y'all? Matter of fact, who birthed y'all? I think they curse y'all, like curse y'all. I dodge, I curve y'all. I don't return calls, cause they call at my phone for a favor. I get to it later, this shit's my turn, dog. Not a greyhound, I'm a mastiff with the misfits and the bad kids. Got a vision, dog, and it's massive. Yeah, it's my ball, I ain't passing. Hope Kendall know who the champ is. Got a bone to pick, no snatching. Mark my spot, yeah, I mapped it. Left my paw prints on the canvas.
Ay, like, get out and give him that dog. Yeah. Get out and give him that dog. Ay. Show out and get in that mode. Oh, we letting it off, whatever the cost. Get out and give him that dog. Yeah. Get out and give him that dog. Ay. Show out and get in that mode. Oh. We letting it off, whatever the cost. Yeah. Ay, pound on my chest, my dogs to the left. We enter the room, they don't say a word, but I hear it all from the sound of their breath. I studied the game, I balance my steps, I handle the L's, I learn from the best. I came back a monster, I murdered the threats before they could get to me first. A gift and a curse, cause I gotta clean up the
Right guys, the motor is in. It went pretty straightforward, so we had to faff a bit with bottom bracket spacing to get the chain alignment right and the perfect fitment, but it is all done. And it went so smooth that whilst we were there, decided to fit the battery. That is all done. That is all we've got to fit now. We've got a throttle, a wiring loom, a wheel magnet sensor, and a thumb throttle. That is it, and this whole build will be complete. And I've gone for this more smaller stealth screen this time. I normally get the bigger screen for the CYC kit. It's like an old Egg Rider display, and I think that would be cool for off-roading, having a more subtle, discreet display rather than a big screen. Right guys, the bike is looking fresh. It's not even done yet, but as you can see, we've got a bunch of wires to connect and things to fit. But it's almost there. Don't forget, I'm doing this build to give away to one of you guys. And I think this is looking fresh. It is looking so good in this ice white colour scheme with the metallic blue logos and the satin black CYC kit to match the forks and the wheels. This is one fresh looking build, and it is going to ride absolutely spot on. So without any further ado, let's get the last few components fitted to this bike and take it out for a spin. Let's go.
If the energy's right, 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 energy, energy. If the energy's right, 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 energy, energy. Energy's right, 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 right. If the energy's right, 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 right,
The bike is finished, and I have to say this has probably got to be the freshest looking e-bike I've ever built. I just love the white paint job, the metallic blue logos and the satin black CYC kit. This should ride absolutely sweet, and it looks absolutely stunning. And I haven't even ridden this thing yet, so just check what mode we're in and let's try this thing out. First go of the Whyte Secta R Photon Pro. Let's go! Wow, this thing absolutely flies. It is spot on. Right, without any further ado, I say we just take this thing off-road, see how it can go up hills, maybe put it against another bike if there's any other mountain bikes about. Going to show you guys just how quick this motor is and why it is the best mid-drive motor in the world. Let's go. The raffle is online now. It's now up, so you guys can head on over, get your entries in. So this is behind the scenes where I do my video editing, and it's a perfect time to tell you about today's sponsor. This is the E7 Plus desk from Flexi Spot. These desks go all the way down low to this height, all the way to this height, which is insane. These are super strong, sturdy desks, guys. Excellent build quality, silent motors, sturdy, strong, and they're far cheaper than their competitors on the market. Guys, I've been using Flexi Spot desks for about 7 years now, and this is the second desk they've sent me. Really nice desk. You can get all different colour worktops, different accessories, different style legs, but all of their models are the best quality. I've opted for this cable tidy tray above me and the underdesk PC mount. And the underdesk PC mount is fully swivel rotating. So this model comes with a 4-leg design. This one is next level. You've got 4 legs and they've got 3 sections that extend. This desk can lift up to 200 kilograms and the motors are ultra silent. Look how strong it is. It can take my weight plus all that stuff on top. It's a good gym too. Flexi Spot are celebrating their 10th anniversary and they've got some amazing offers on during August. On the 31st of August, don't miss their flash sale from 10 AM to 11:59 AM. Use the code up on the screen now to enjoy 12% off of the entire website, and check out all their other deals that are up on the screen now and in the video description. We have come over to Hadley Park and we've found some huge hills to do a test with. We've got the Whyte Secta R Photon Pro and we've got Martin on his Ghost, and that has got the Bosch CX performance line, if I get that right. Yeah, obviously you've got the DJI Avanox M2S motor. That is a bit more powerful than most of the stuff you get in the shops, but the CYC stuff is still on another level to that. And hopefully we're going to demonstrate it now by sending it up a huge hill together. Let's go. Right, here we go then. Bosch performance line CX versus CYC Whyte self-build, shed build. Shed build versus industry standard.
See it.
Right, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, big hole. There you go. How much of a gap was that? Because I wasn't really looking.
Yeah,
Wonder if I should be cheeky and give you a 2-second head start.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
So we're rolling again. Ghost Bosch motor performance CX or performance line CX 750 watt motor versus CYC Photon Pro shed build on the Whyte Secta R hardtail.
Versus a big hill.
Versus a big ass hill.
Yeah.
Okay, right, 3, hold on, make sure my bike's on. I turned it down for your daughter to have a go. Oh. I was in the lowest, yeah, almost gave you 2 head starts. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. We need to get you a mid-drive, don't we? I might get you a Tongjing. These brakes have got to be some of the best brakes I've ever had on a mountain bike. They're as good as the SRAM Mavens, I swear, and they're only Tektro. The listing on this bike says Tektro 2-piston brakes. I don't know if that means they're 4-pot brakes, but they are incredible. Some seriously brutal stopping power. So this bike is special, guys, and is all thanks to the motor. It's a decent mountain bike to begin with, but The motor is what makes it, exactly the same as the Amflow PX. If it didn't have the DJI Avanox motor, then nobody would really care about it. But the beauty of this is you can actually stick this motor in any bike you want. So it don't matter whatever your style of riding is, whether you want to do it on a hardtail because of budget, whether you want the most expensive downhill frame. A CYC motor on a DIY build blows the socks off anything you can buy in the shops. And this isn't even their most expensive motor, and you see how it annihilated the Bosch CX Performance line today. It is on another level. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Don't forget to enter the raffle for this insane Secta R white build. As you can see, the stuff you build in the sheds can annihilate and does annihilate stuff you buy in the shops because there's no limits to it. And I think the Photon Pro is a perfect amount of power for actually mountain biking. The X1's an awesome motor, but some people find it too powerful. It is leagues above anything else. Get your entries in on the raffle, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.